to take yourself to a place that you have no business being and welcome it. That's how you get your growth. That's how we get the cuts. That's why you look the way you do. Bang it up. Because you're willing to push it. You're willing to take yourself outside your comfort zone. Drive it up. Bang it up. All the way up. Slow down, fast up, bang it up. Get that pain. Get that pain. 10, 9, squeeze it up. 8, suffer. Suffer is where we're at. Come on. Bang it up. Bang it up. Go hard. 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way up. 4 inches. Hit forward a little bit right there. Now let go. Let it go. 4 inches. Keep it up there. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Something falls off. I can live with that. You quitting it will not go away. You don't quit. Don't quit. Keep it up there. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Right back up, right back up. Hold it. Right back up, right back up. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Go hard. 6, 5. Don't go down. 3, 2, 1. Good job.